Monico. Come on, brother. Woo.
It is estimated that around 30 million Americans go to a chiropractor every year. Around 10% of the population. Only 10%. How many of you feel that this number should be way, way, way higher by show of hands? Everybody? That's why I'm here today. Because I really believe in my heart that collectively, together, if we were to get more people under chiropractic care, our industry, we need to have an identity expansion. You're thinking, Roberto, what is an identity expansion? Now imagine you have 2 doctors. How many doctors? Come on guys, I need more energy. How many doctors? And everything is the same. They have an amazing team, great philosophy, great skills. And Dr. A here, his identity, how he defines himself is, I'm a great doctor, which is pretty good identity. Now, Dr. B here, again, same team, same marketplace, same systems. His identity, how he defines himself is, I'm a great doctor and a health, wellness, chiropractic speaker. Now let me ask you this. Again, everything the same. This guy here, I'm a great doctor. That's my identity. This guy here goes, I'm a great doctor and I'm a great speaker about health, wellness, chiropractic. Who do you think is going to speak more? A or B? Come on guys, I don't hear. A or B? Who's going to help more people? Who's going to record more videos? Who is going to find speak opportunities? A or B? You know that. That's why, as an industry, we must to expand our identity. Why? Because the doctors who see themselves as speakers, influencers, they have changed my life. 7 years ago, I met my baby, my wife, and I knew right away we're going to get married. And at that time, she was taking birth control pills. She stopped because we knew we were going to have a family, and her period never came back. She went through 4 MDs, no answer. At the time, I was coaching a guy named Dr. Chris Zano. How many of you know Chris Zano? Heard? Amazing guy. Love Chris, my brother. And he said, dude, you and your wife gotta go to see a chiropractor. So we went to see a chiropractor, amazing guy, Dr. Ryan Hummel. And we sit down, took x-rays, and this is my wife's x-ray. By the way, I have the permission to share. Right? Subluxation in the neck, subluxation lower back, and we started care. And we both felt like amazing. We don't get sick anymore. And I remember 3 Christmas ago, December 24th in the morning, I'm in San Francisco, drink coffee, me, my mom, her mom, she's sleeping. Then all of a sudden, she wakes up, goes to the bathroom, comes back crying, bawling. And I'm like, what happened? What happened? She couldn't talk. She's like, hup, hup, hup. What happened? She goes, I just got my period. And I'm like, are you sure? She goes, I'm sure. After 4 years. And then, throughout all the speakers, chiropractic speakers, we learn how amazing chiropractic is for pregnancy. All right? How amazing it is for everything. And I was speaking at the Michigan Chiropractic Association. Right after my talk, she came to me and said, I have great news, you're pregnant. And my wife had this amazing, can you guys say amazing? Pregnancy. She was adjusted 3 times a week, the whole period. because we learned that chiropractic was awesome,